Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to play PUBG Mobile on PC without emulator. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Steam. Okay? But if you have a Steam application on your device, you don't need to do this. Okay? So once you've searched for Steam, just go ahead and click on that and click here at the upper part of your screen, the Install Steam button. So just go ahead and install Steam on your device. And once you've done that, just go ahead and launch it. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Then now, just go ahead and create an account. Or if you have an account, just go ahead and log in your account. Now just go ahead and click on Store. Click here at the search bar and search for PUBG. Click on that. And then now, just go ahead and click on Play Game. So if you want to play it, just go ahead and click on Play Game. And then now, as you can see, it requires 32.58 gig. Okay, so now just go ahead and you can choose the location for install. Click on Next. Click on I agree. Then after that, just wait for it. And once it is done downloading, you can now start playing PUBG on your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.